But Amazon sure smart for getting their own little Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am Kelsey Ray and today I'm going to be doing my Amazon must-haves of 2020 or like my Amazon finds. So basically like I found it and I didn't know I needed it, and then when I found it I had realized that I really had needed it and stuff. So yeah. So basically that's what we're gonna do. So let's just jump right into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's jump into this video. My first thing, y'all, is this gallon pitcher for water or whatever you want to call it. I basically got this because I was like, hey, you know what? I need to challenge myself to drink more water. And if I could drink a gallon a day, I'm going to be fine, okay? Skin gonna be glowing, hair gonna be growing, you know, booty gonna be fluffy, you know what I'm saying? So I ordered this on Amazon. It comes in so many different colors and I love this. The only reason why I feel like I ordered this instead of all of the other jugs and stuff like that on Amazon is simply because it has this straw, like it's like a mouth guard, like sucky straw type of vibe. And this is why I ordered this, because I don't like holding up jugs to my mouth like this. Like it's hard for me, like I don't know. And then the mouth of these jugs be so big, so like just imagine walking around with a Kentwood or Zarka jug and it just look like with the little cap, like it just looks lame. So this is why you need this, because you need to amp up the way your water looks when you're drinking water, because I know y'all drinking y'all water. It also has this little handle right here. It also has the times on it, so 7 a.m., 9 a.m., 11 a.m., 1 a.m. and I actually honestly go by those times, you know what I'm saying? So if I'm like at 9, if I'm at 9 a.m., I'm supposed to be at like 1 o'clock or 1:30, or I'm supposed to be, I start sucking it just to like hurry up and get to where I'm supposed to be. So this stuff helps. This is my jug and I love it. I absolutely love it. It got like a little water in the left because I actually use it, okay? I will have all of these items that I mentioned linked down below, so don't forget to check them out. So next up is this. This is basically a bag full of all different types of satin scrunchies. So for my natural hair girls, any type of girl actually, but I use these particular scrunchies because they're satin, and anytime I want to like put my hair up, I got a satin scrunchie just to have on hand. I have so many. I think this was like a 40 pack for like $9. It was like mad cheap, but it comes in every single color you could think of. This whole bag, it was like stuffed, like literally like stuffed. Like, let me show you. Look at all of these scrunchies. You wear your hair in a lot of ponytails and you're natural and you want to preserve your hair and you give a care about your hair, like this is perfect for you guys. So check these out for sure. I love these. None of this is sponsored, by the way. Like, I'm just showing y'all what I brought from Amazon. Like, it's just simple. So while we're on this satin kick, let me show y'all something else that I purchased. A satin pillowcase. So I purchased these together because I'm in the mood of like, okay, I'm trying to do better with my hair. I done colored it and bleached it, and I just want to keep it growing. Like, I want to grow my hair and continue to grow it, and I just want to protect it as much as possible, basically. So with that being said, I purchased some satin pillowcases for me and Chris and Cameron. And I love these so much. But the one thing I like about these particular satin pillowcases is it comes with this like pocket or like fold. So like once you put your pillow in, like you know how you put your pillow in the regular way, you could untuck this fold and stick your pillow in there. So it'll like make sure, like you know how your pillows be sticking out on the edge and you gotta like push them back in. This won't happen because it's covered. Basically, I love that about my pillow. So every part of my pillow is covered. You know what I'm saying? So nonetheless, this is so cool. It also comes with like the instructions on how to wash it and how to properly care for it. So that was amazing. Even though I knew, I still like to have that reassurance from the brand. So love this, and the brand was very informative about how to use this. So definitely check this out, y'all. This was something like I needed, and I knew I needed it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so since we are on home stuff, technically, kinda, I purchased these hangers, y'all. I grew up on wired hangers, but I also grew up on those regular plastic hangers. And in my mind, growing up, I was just like, they just hangers. Like, when I went to college, I got all pink hangers. I thought I was doing something or whatever. But my older self came across these hangers, y'all, and I didn't think it was like such a big deal because like it's just a hanger, like hang your clothes up and whatever. But ever since I've been using these hangers, like I love these hangers. For one, it make a closet look nice and neat and organized and all together instead of like having all these different type of hangers and stuff like that. And for two, it honestly keeps your clothes on the hanger. So like it only has these like little bitty dips on each hanger, like on each side of the hanger. And I was thinking like, oh, that's not going to do nothing. But I really believe it's the material of the hanger that keeps the clothes on. The material is velvet. So this is what I purchased. The only, I guess, kind about these hangers, if it makes you upset, is that these hangers kind of pick up the length from your clothes. And like you have like little fuzz balls and stuff like that on your hanger because of your clothes. But to me, it doesn't bother me. I love these hangers, and I didn't know I needed them until I got them. And when I got them, I was like, I need them because I can't go back because they are actually really good. So if you was ever thinking about getting these hangers, because I know y'all seen these before, if you was ever thinking about getting them, definitely get them, take a whack at it, try it. They probably got these also in like different like home goods stores and stuff like that, like Home Goods and all of these home decor places. They might sell these as well, where you could just go to the store and pick it up instead of going and get it on Amazon. But definitely try these hangers out, y'all. I love these hangers, and they make my closet look cute. I ain't gonna front. Like, it make it look like I'm doing something and I'm a big girl. But let's switch the pace to my skincare lovers. So if y'all love skincare, this one is for you. So I recently picked up this serum from Amazon. The brand is called True Skin. This is their vitamin C serum. So this is what the serum looks like. I hope y'all can see it. I can't remember how much it was, but this is the vitamin C serum. It has vitamin C and vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. It says professional facial serum. So this is a serum that I love to use. As you can see, let me turn it this way. I've been using it, the stuff right here. I've been using this, y'all, and I love this. And this is real tea, y'all. I actually think it's working, or it's doing something for my skin. It definitely feels like it's doing something for my skin when I apply it. This is one of the things you definitely have to use consistently to get results, in a sense. And a lot of skincare you have to continue to use to get results. So yes, definitely try this out. I like this brand. This brand also came with instructions on telling you how to use it and when to use it and when not to use it. So definitely check that out, but also read the instructions before you use it, because I don't want to be the reason why some of y'all faces getting messed up and stuff. Like, check it out, read it before you buy to make sure you're doing what you need to do to, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So to deviate from skincare, I purchased, this is for my makeup lovers or like just creative people in general. I purchased this kit from Amazon, y'all, and these are like just those rhinestones. What's the rhinestones called? Is these squally crystals? I don't know. These might not be that, but I purchased these on Amazon. And it came in this little pack, and it came with 2 little trays. This is how it comes. 2 little trays, and it also came with some tweezer-like things. I use tweezers like this for like my lashes most of the time, but I guess this is to help pick up the crystals. And then it also came with these pencils. I guess you sharpen these pencils and you can pick up your crystals this way too. It comes with 2 of those. And y'all, I thought that was so cool. You can also use these for like your nails, nail art and things like that. And I'm pretty sure, I think they come in different colors as well. I just didn't get the different color pack because I felt like I would get more use out of just the silver ones. But they definitely have different colors. But y'all, I thought this was so cool, so cute. I love the packaging, and they give you all the different sizes. So this is what they look like. So moving right along, let's get a little bit techie. I purchased this on Amazon. This is just the packaging because I'm currently using it. Mic check, mic check. Y'all can hear me? So this is what I purchased. I purchased a microphone on Amazon. It comes in this little pouch, but I purchased this Amazon microphone. It's called Boya, I don't know. Basically, this is a microphone that you can attach to your cameras if you have a camera like that. But I'm shooting on a Canon G7X Mark II, and these Canons don't have no external, like you can't plug nothing in. So I had to buy a microphone just to make my sound better when I'm recording certain videos. I'm pretty sure there's all kind of other microphones, but this was like a cheaper alternative than the real microphone. So yes, y'all, but I don't really know the specifics on it. I just know I use it, and this is how it sounds. So now I have the mic in my hand. It comes with all of these cords and stuff, and the only thing it didn't come with, because of the type of phone that I have, is this. So I'm currently using my phone to use this microphone. Maybe I should put the mic down. I don't know. I never know until I look back at the footage and be like, dang, I was so loud. But I use the microphone. I had to buy this adapter connector thing because it's connected through this, and it's like that old school headphones kind of connected. And basically this is an Apple like transfer thing to make it fit into my phone. So I have the iPhone, the big one, the 10, I don't know what number is this. Anybody who buys this type of microphone for your videos or whatever y'all using for, be sure to buy that kind of connector if you have a phone like mine. Let me know if y'all like the quality of the sound. To keep it in the techie family, I also ordered these lights. I'm currently using them now. This is my first time using them. Tell me what y'all think. Y'all think my lighting looks good or what? I ordered these lights. I've seen so many people use these square lights, and I'm just like, bro, like, I want this. I want to try this. I want to see what's good with the lights. So I purchased these lights, y'all. They go so high. They be tall. I know I could like switch the tones. You could dim them. You can add like a little more yellow to the light if you want yellow. You have to plug them in. They have the little barn doors. But y'all, it came in such nice packaging. It has bags for both of them. The only thing I wish it had was like bags for the tripods. Tell me in the comments down below if y'all think my lighting setup looks really good. So I have one item that I want to show you guys, and this is probably TMI, but I just wanted to show y'all. So ironically, I was on Amazon shopping, minding my damn business or whatever, and I came across these. Yes, Amazon has thongs, okay? Amazon has thongs on their website, and look at the tag. So this is called Amazon Essentials. This is the brand. Let me get you closer. This is the brand, y'all. It's called Amazon Essentials. So the brand Amazon has its own clothing line. Do you feel me? Is you picking up what I'm putting down? And they came out with these thong like seamless, I don't know what they're called. I think they're like they're supposed to feel like you don't have drawers on, and they also supposed to not give that panty lines in a sense, and they supposed to like really hug your body and be real seamless basically. So these are basically seamless thongs. This is what the back of the thongs look like, y'all. And when I tell y'all, these is the most comfortable pair of thongs I ever wore in my entire life. Once again, a product that I didn't know I needed, and then I got it, and now I need it because I can't believe this. Like, so good, so stretchy. I think I got mine in the size medium, yes. And this was like a 4-pack. You can get, I got the pack of 4 of these, but I got them all black. I think they have the ones with different colors like white or nude or whatever. I just got black to be safe for my first time purchasing it, just to see like, you know, if I like it or not. And you can't go wrong with black, so I got black. But I'm definitely gonna order some more, y'all, because this panty, drawers, thongs, whatever y'all want to call it, is like the best. It's breathable. It's not like, it's airy. It's not like, I need to breathe down there, okay? Now we getting into the nitty gritty. I need to breathe down there. You want it to be airy, and this was perfect. So I'm definitely going to go back on Amazon and purchase more of these. Last but not least, this is something that I get a question about a lot. This was something that I purchased, and I was kind of iffy about purchasing it, but then I purchased it because I've never purchased something like this before, and I love this so far, and y'all seen it in almost all of my videos. So the last thing that I purchased from Amazon is this plant. Hey, planting. So yes, y'all, I purchased this fake plant from Amazon. I was so scared. It was too much money. It was $96, I think. That's not even with shipping and tax and all that. But I think it was like $96 for this plant, y'all. And I was like, do I really want to spend that much money? And I never knew fake plants were so expensive until I went shopping for some, okay? This is my friend Planisha, and she be in all my videos supporting me, having my back, literally on my back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Tell me what y'all want to see. But yeah, y'all, so like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.